Find the current directory and files directory. How do I determine the current directory, where I was in the terminal when I ran the Python script, and where the Python file I am executing is?
To get the full path to the directory a Python file is contained in, write this in that file. Note that the incantation above won't work if you've already used os.gr to change your current working directory, since the value of the _file_ constant is relative to the current working directory, and is not changed by an os.gr call. To get the current working directory, use documentation references for the modules, constants and functions used above. The os and os.path modules. The _file_ constant. os.path.realpath returns the canonical path of the specified file name, eliminating any symbolic links encountered in the path. os.path.dir_namePath returns the directory name of pathname path. os.getCode returns a string representing the current working directory. os.clearPath changed the current working directory to path.
Current working directory, os.getCode. And the _file_ attribute can help you find out where the file you are executing is located. This Stack Overflow post explains everything. How do I get the path of the current executed file in Python?
You may find this useful as a reference.
The pathlib module, introduced in Python 3.4, PEP 428, the pathlib module, object-oriented file system paths, makes the path-related experience much better. In order to get the current working directory, use path.cwd. To get an absolute path to your script file, use the path.resolve method. And to get the path of a directory where your script is located, access.parent, it is recommended to call .resolve before .parent. Remember that _file_ is not reliable in some situations. How do I get the path of the current executed file in Python? Please note that path.cwd, path.resolve and other path methods return path objects, POSIX path in my case, not strings. In Python 3.4 and 3.5 that caused some pain, because Open built-in function could only work with string or bytes objects, and did not support path objects, so you had to convert path objects to strings or use the path.open method, but the latter option required you to change old code. File scripts/2.py. Output. As you can see, OpenP does not work with Python 3.5. PEP 519, adding a file system path protocol, implemented in Python 3.6, adds support of path-like objects to the open function, so now you can pass path objects to the open function directly.
If you want to see more